here with the perfect summer recipe is our friend, Chef Christian Petroni.
So we're gonna make my world famous Tenderoni pizza.
Okay, okay, my
yeah.
man.
What do we name this thing? It's got pepperonis on it. Tenderoni.
That's right.
Right? So we want to stretch our dough first. But also very important, guys, is the dough itself. Don't get stressed out.
Just go to the
your
freezer
local
section.
pizzeria. So we take the flour and we kind of just throw it like that.
Okay.
All right?
Go.
And we're gonna take our dough out, and you just want to always keep it in the form that you find it in. We're not gonna fold it over, nothing like that. Little more flour over the top. I like to kind of just easily stretch this out. So I started having my guys use a rolling pin. So we go ahead and just keep stretching. Now, what you're gonna see as you stretch this dough, you're gonna see these little pockets of air bubbles. That means that we did something good.
That's right.
That's flavor, pockets of flavor. She's ready to go.
Yes.
Now, what I like to do is, believe it or not, throw it on the grill now, and we're gonna set it. I need you to make our tomato sauce. Now, you know, use good quality canned tomatoes. They don't have to be from Italy. If they are, God bless, that's great. But we wanna take those, you wanna crush them with your hand.
Just crush.
Yeah, we're not gonna even cook it. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil.
Just tilt the bowl this way so I don't get any squirts.
You got that nice white shirt on. Don't be messing it up.
A little bit of sea salt. Lay it on the grill, and you'll see how quick it'll start to puff up and it'll start to set.
And that's a hot grill, right? I mean, you're doing it right direct over direct heat.
Direct heat, super hot. It has to be hot.
No oil, right?
No oil. As long as that grate is hot, the dough will not stick. It's starting to get these bubbles. It's starting to wake up. The dough is starting to rise. I like to hand tear the mozzarella. Really nice. It's just, you know, again, we're using just a few ingredients, so we gotta use good stuff. Let's go ahead with some beautiful tomatoes. You know, you don't wanna like kill it with sauce. So we got our tomato sauce, we got our mozzarella, now we're gonna do some pepperonis. Now, I get a little upset when I see people doing this.
No.
No.
Put it on there.
Make it rain pepperoni.
Do that. Okay.
Little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Parmigiano Reggiano, here it is. The undisputed king of all cheeses.
That's right.
So we met the queen.
Pound for pound.
Right over the top. Throw it on our peel. And I like to put it on the part of the grill that is off.
Yes.
So one side super hot, one side not so much. Right? Go here, close that cover, and let that baby cook. Right.
Christian,
So now,
I just took a note. I saw some sambal and some, what was that, honey?
yeah, so what you had here was honey and Calabrian chili paste. So Calabrian chili paste is like 5 different types of chilies from Calabria. They cure them, they dry them out in the sun, very romantic. And then they puree them into that paste. And it's got some nice heat, but it's not gonna wreck you, you know what I mean? And just give this a little drizzle over the top of our pizza. We're ready to go. This is the run. Cut this baby up.
Enough talking, let's get to the eating.